Oh my god, I absolutely love this look. Look at the curls. I didn't really think I would like it, especially the way the wig looked before. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty, I talk about feminine hygiene, I talk about natural hair, and I just do a little bit of everything. With that being said, let's get right into the video. And for today's video, I'm going to be using a bob wig by Donmily. This is the company, Donmily. And as I said, this is a curly bob wig. So if you guys don't know this by now, this is my favorite type of hair. I like curly hair or kinky curly hair. So I have done a few looks like this, but this one is slightly different because it is shorter. And it is also a bob. So I just wanted to try that out for you guys so you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my bonnet. And I already have a stocking cap on. I told you guys that already. So I'm just gonna put this on and try it on to see if I need to cut or how much I need to cut. The lace is definitely light, but that's okay because I can just put some foundation on it. So it looks like it's already a middle part. I typically like to wear a side part with wigs like this, but we'll see. So it can definitely get bigger if you open it with your fingers. So I like that. So okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Okay, this is what it looks like. Like I said, I don't typically like to do a middle part with these kind of hair. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a side part. Should I do a side part or just leave it? I'm gonna do a side part. So what I'll do is I'm gonna first apply my wig and then I think I'll go from there. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and laid my wig. So I have the part on the side, as you can see here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wet it a little bit to see how it turns out. Okay, so I have my spray bottle here. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it down with some water and then add some leave-in conditioner. Wow, this is turning out really good, y'all. This is really cute. Okay, you guys, so this is my leave-in conditioner by Function of Beauty, but you can use any kind of cheap leave-in conditioner just because it's weave. So as you can see right there, it's a little long. It's supposed to have that lap-sided kind of look, but I personally don't like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, but I'm just cutting a little bit, like right there. So same thing on this side. So I left a little bit of hair in front, and then I put the rest behind my ears like that, just because I don't want it to be in my face. And here we have it. And this is it, you guys. Super cute. Oh my god, I absolutely love this look. I didn't really think I would like it, especially the way the wig looked before, but this is definitely how it was meant to be. It's super nice. Look at the curls. This is a beautiful, simple summer look. You can wear it to the pool, you can wear it on vacation, you can wear it to a barbecue. So I will leave all the info of this hair down below so you guys can check it out. I'll also leave a discount code to help you guys purchase this hair. And that is it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you never miss another video again. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.